Hello, and this is a Man Crusaders creation, and today I'll show you a piston with a combination lock, and if we get enough views we'll put out a tutorial for it. So hoping 100 views or more would do it, so we'll just put up a tutorial. Yep, and it's actually made by Zonky, but I kind of edited it a bit, so it's simpler, and I don't know, it's anyway, I've done it this way. I've edited it here, so it's a piston pointing to this block where it connects to the top. So yeah, I'll show you just some random combinations. Nope, it opens the bottom one. And nope, nothing. Yep, see? And that's the piston with combination lock. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again.